how to update the Fantasy Premier League app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to keep your Premier League app up to date with the latest feature and fixes, well, I'll show you exactly how to update it on Android. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Fantasy Premier League. And here on the search result, simply tap on the first link. And here, once you're inside the official Premier League app page, you'll see the update button. So simply tap on it to start the updating process of the app. So here you just have to wait for some time for it to finish its installation, and here once it's done updating, you can just tap on the open button to launch it. And that's it. That's how you can update the official Premier League app on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.